we have to solve this problem by graphical method. That means we have to obtain all these four values graphically. Okay. For that the process is, first of all, draw xy axis. While drawing axis, keep more space on the right side. Okay, because these values are tensile. That's why tensile is plotted on right side, compressive is plotted on left side. Both are tensile. Keep more space on right side. Have you understood this? एक्सिस इस तरह से ड्रॉ करो कि आपको नोटबुक पे समथिंग लाइक दिस. हैव यू ड्रॉन? नेम दिस एज ओरिजिन. हाँ. Now from this point first you have to decide suitable scale. Scale क्या लेना है आपको यहाँ पे? Now you have say markings in centimeter. Let us say you have scale with centimeter scale. Okay, we can take scale like this. Now what are the maximum value here? Sigma x is 75, sigma y is 35. मतलब आपको maximum कितना plot करना है यहाँ पे? 75. मतलब 7.5 सेंटीमीटर is okay.
Yes sir.
So I can decide scale as 1 centimeter is equal to 10 MPa. Okay?
Yes sir.
This is the scale I have decided. आप इससे डबल भी कर सकते हैं, but on notebook I think this is okay. From origin, हाँ, अभी क्या करना है? We have to plot sigma x on x axis. Sigma x मतलब normal space. इस axis पे हम क्या plot करते हैं?
Sigma normal space.
Normal space. इस axis पे क्या plot करते हैं? Shear space. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
From origin कितना प्लॉट करना है आपको? 75 MPa. As per scale कितना सेंटीमीटर होगा?
7.5.
7.5 सेंटीमीटर. जिनके पास स्केल है they measure 7.5 on this. So like I have marked 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and this is 75. Is it clear? ये 75 क्या हो गया? What is this?
Normal space. Sigma.
X डायरेक्शन का स्पेस which is equal to 75
MPa.
MPa. किया सबने? Have you all done this? Sigma x is equal to 75. These are the markings 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, what is the other value?
Sigma.
Sigma y कितना है?
35.
35. Okay. Is it tensile?
Yes sir.
Both are
Inside.
same side. Both are to be plotted on right side of the origin. अगर इसमें compressive होती तो left side of the origin. Is it clear? Tensile है इसलिए हम 35 कहाँ पर plot करेंगे? Right side. So 10, 20, 30 and this is 35. आप इसको नेम भी दे सकते हैं like this is OL, this is OM. ये कितना लिया हमने? Sigma y equal to 35 MPa. All of you plot and name. LM. Now how much is this distance from LM? So I just write the steps in short here. Sigma x is equal to OL. Sigma y is equal to OM, right? Which is equal to 7.5 centimeter. This is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now take midpoint of LM. Midpoint of LM. L to M distance कितना है? 35 and 75 कितना हो गया? 40. अब इसका midpoint ले लो. कहाँ पे आएगा? 55 पे, correct? Let us name it as say LMN. those who are now rounder compass, they take it out, midpoint liya, so n is midpoint of LM. Okay, now with n as center, क्या करना है आपको? n as center and NL as radius. Draw circle. करो सर्कल ड्रॉ. Have you drawn circle? Now next most important step where many students go wrong. What is angle theta given here? 20. Angle theta is 20. In Mohr circle, the angles are doubled. And even in the equation, what was that equation? Sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. Okay, अभी आपको क्या करना है? Double angle लेना है. So those who have protractor, okay, they have to now keep the center point here and measure angle 2 theta. 2 theta मतलब 2 into 20, that is equal to 40 degree. So यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? एक 40 डिग्री पे लाइन ड्रॉ करना है at angle 40. Have you understood this or not? Take protractor. protractor का जो सेंटर है रेफरेंस इसके साथ मैच करो. protractor will be like this, correct ना? Match this with 0 and measure angle 40 degree. So this line is at what angle? 40 degree. Have you all understood or not? Protractor center here, इस side से take angle 40 degree. So this line is at 40. You will get point of intersection with the circle. ये point मिलेगा आपको. I call that point as P. From P draw a perpendicular. यहाँ से क्या करना है? परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करना है ऑन एक्स एक्सिस. दिस इज एट 90 डिग्री. Name this point as Q. And now join this P with O. Join O to P. I write further steps here. We have drawn circle. After circle, point of intersection of line at 40 degree that is line at 2 theta, and circle. Which point do you get? You get point P. So simple. यहाँ पे 40 डिग्री करके लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है, सर्कल के साथ इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट P. P से हमने क्या किया? PQ is perpendicular on x axis, so PQ is perpendicular on x axis, correct? And finally join OP. Now you will get the answers, and it's very interesting. Answers will match with the analytical method. Let us measure now. First measure OQ. So length OQ is equal to. Second measure PQ. Third measure OP. Lastly measure angle POQ. ये चार चीजें आपको मेजर करनी है. Now just pay attention. Distance OQ is 7.1 centimeter. Our scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 MPa. हमें लेंथ नहीं फाइंड आउट करनी है, हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? स्ट्रेस वैल्यू. You have to find normal stress, shear stress. मतलब अभी क्या करना है आपको? रिवर्स करना है. जो वैल्यू मिली है उसको अभी स्केल से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. That means this 7.1 centimeter is equal to 7.1 into 10. Scale is 10. That is 71 megapascal. This is graphically obtained. Graphically obtained value is 71 and analytically obtained value is 70.32. Plus minus 1 or 2 MPa is acceptable. Graphical method से करेंगे. Okay, 70, 71. That is acceptable. What about other value PQ? PQ मतलब vertical scale. Vertical पे क्या है? Vertical पे क्या है? Shear stress. So this vertical value indicates length PQ is nothing but this is nothing but normal stress. 1.2 का स्केल से कन्वर्जन किया हुआ 12 MPa and vertical पे क्या है? This value is vertically, so it indicates shear stress. Okay? So this is equal to shear stress. Graphically value obtained is 12, analytically 12.85 per second. That is okay. Have understood? Resultant. अब resultant क्या है? देखो, हमने पहले ये लिया normal stress. This is nothing but normal stress. This is nothing but shear stress. और ये क्या है? राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
मतलब ये क्या हुआ? Resultant.
Yes.
दोनों का ये resultant. So what is this? This is resultant. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And what is the value? 7.2 centimeter. That is 72 MPa. That is
70.
resultant stress. Analytically it is 71.48. Graphically it is 72. That is okay. And what about angle? Angle of obliquity was 10.35. And here angle between shear stress and normal stress. ये क्या है? It is actually जो भी आपने मेजर किया वो क्या था? Phi, angle of obliquity, and that is equal to 10 degree. So what is this? This is phi. Analytical 10.35, graphical 10. Have you understood?